Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP off Robinhood in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to a personal wallet for more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates, as crypto rules can change quickly. First off, why transfer XRP? In 2025, with regulations tightening and new features rolling out, having your assets in a self-custody wallet lets you avoid platform restrictions and potential fees. Plus, it's a smart move for security and flexibility. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app or website and log in. Make sure your account is verified and you've got two-factor authentication enabled for extra safety. Step 2. Navigate to the Crypto section. Find your XRP holdings in your portfolio. Tap or click on it to view details. Step 3. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. This might be under a menu like Actions or More. Robinhood could have updated their interface by 2025, so if it's not obvious, check the Help section. Step 4. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your XRP. This is crucial. Double-check the address to avoid losing your funds forever. If you're new to this, use a reputable wallet like Ledger or Trust Wallet. Step 5. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so start with a test transfer if you're unsure. Step 6. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to approve it with your authentication method. Once done, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. XRP transfers are usually fast, under a minute. And that's it. By 2025, you might see new features like integrated tax tracking, so keep an eye on Robinhood's announcements. Always transfer to a wallet you control and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.